More than 500 schools island-wide reopened their gates on Monday to resume face-to-face classes for students who will be sitting upcoming examinations. Educational institutions were ordered closed on March 21 due to a surge in the number of new coronavirus COVID-19 cases in the island. Over in St. Thomas, the Yallahs High School was one of the schools that opened their doors. We get more from Melvin Pennant.
So far, so good. That was the word from Yallahs High Principal Mark Malabva when our news team visited. He said the reopening had been smooth. The returning students are those slated to sit CSEC exams later this year.
So we started this morning at 8:15. What we did this week was that we changed our start time. We normally start at 7:45, but we have given the students like extra half an hour to get to school. This is to accommodate them in terms of them getting to school, utilizing the public transportation. We have implemented all the COVID-19 protocols. The grade 11s are ones that are coming in. This week we are going to zero in on those that are yet to complete their SPAs. We want to get that out of the way as soon as possible so that we can seriously concentrate on getting the students as prepared as is possible given the short time frame for their CSEC examinations.
As the school pushes to prepare students for their CSEC exams, the principal said they had resuscitated the school transport system in light of the COVID-19 pandemic.
We have also implemented a transportation system where we are utilizing our school bus to transport the students to and from home. So far, so good. It's really a smooth start. It's not something. It's something that we're pretty used to in terms of because it would have been something that we have implemented before. So we just hit the restart button, so to speak, and it's a smooth start so far.
The admission of students on the school grounds was regimented to allow for COVID-19 health protocols.
Over your nose.
Temperature checks are a must. Hand sanitizing and washing stations were also heavily utilized. As we speak, the island's daily COVID-19 infections have been relatively low. It is the hope of the nation's educators that this trend will continue to allow students the much-needed face-to-face preparation for their exit exams. Melvin Pennant, PBCJ News.